IMNO has just unveiled a new pair of AI glasses, and the entire smart eyewear industry is suddenly asking one question. Could these be the glasses that finally get AI eyewear right? Meta has the popularity. Apple has the ecosystem. Google has Gemini. But IMNO is betting on something none of them have fully mastered. Practicality. Not bigger displays. Not flashier AR, not more cameras. Instead, it's built AI glasses designed to quietly help you throughout the day with live translation, AI vision, navigation, meeting summaries, and a design that looks almost identical to a normal pair of glasses. If it all works as promised, the Go 3 might not just compete with the biggest names in AI eyewear, it could force them to rethink what smart glasses should have been all along. INMO isn't exactly a household name when it comes to AI eyewear, and honestly, that's part of the reason people tend to miss it. While everyone was busy talking about Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses or speculating about Apple's secretive AI eyewear, INMO was off in its own corner, figuring out how to make smart glasses that people might actually want to put on every morning. Their earlier models already showed they know how to build solid augmented reality hardware, but those glasses still came across as gadgets first, accessories second. Now the INMO Go 3 shakes things up. It skips the flashy AR tricks and zeroes in on comfort, a low-key look, and AI features that actually fit into everyday routines. The INMO Go 3 stands out from the crowd mostly because of its display. Instead of flooding your vision with huge floating windows or trying to act like a laptop screen, INMO takes a smarter approach. It delivers just enough info, right when you need it. Nothing more, nothing less. Inside the frame is a dual-eye micro-LED display that offers 640 by 480 resolution, ramps up to 1,500 nits of brightness, and covers a 30-degree field of view. It doesn't try to create massive virtual screens. Instead, you get this compact layer of digital info that only you can see. From the outside, the lenses still look totally normal. The trick is an optical waveguide, which directs light from a tiny micro-LED projector through the lens and straight into your eye. So navigation, translations, notifications, and AI responses just float in front of you. You don't lose sight of the real world. Everything stays clear, and the display never gets in the way. INMO's philosophy is pretty different from what you get with full-blown AR headsets. Rather than drowning you in digital clutter, the Go 3 pipes up only when something's actually helpful. Brightness makes a big difference too. With up to 1,500 nits, you can easily read the display even in broad daylight. Sure, it's not as bright as some top-tier AR devices, but this level feels practical, visible enough, comfortable for your eyes, and efficient with battery. The Go 3 isn't out to replace your laptop or build a virtual office around you. Its whole purpose is to quickly put essential info in front of you while making sure you stay tuned in to the real world. For everyday AI glasses, honestly, that kind of subtlety feels like the smarter choice. Meta got people to believe that AI glasses could actually look good. Now, IMNO wants to prove they're not just stylish, but something you'll wonder how you ever lived without. When people talk about smart glasses, real-time translation always comes up, but IMNO doesn't just throw subtitles in front of your face and call it a day. The Go 3 aims to be more than a translator. It's built to handle everyday conversations, naturally across languages, without the weird interruptions that usually come with tech like this. These glasses know 77 spoken languages and can translate into 98, so honestly, there are very few places where you'd feel lost wearing them. But raw numbers aren't the whole story. What stands out is how flexible the system feels once you start using it. Exploring a new city? Just look at a menu, a street sign, or a document. The onboard camera instantly translates whatever you see, popping the new text right onto your display. Meeting someone who speaks another language? Sync up with IMNO's wireless in-ear speaker and both of you can talk as you normally would. The subtitles show up in your field of view, and your earpiece reads out the translation, so you both stay in the moment instead of pausing every few sentences to check your phone. No one wants to keep fiddling with apps during a conversation. IMNO keeps things smooth. It's just you, the other person, and words flowing freely. There's another trick up IMNO's sleeve. It saves every translated conversation in its app. No more losing important discussions or instructions. They're all there for you to review. So whether you're handling business overseas, conducting interviews, or just getting travel directions, those exchanges don't vanish as soon as you take off the glasses. This is the real difference between IMNO and a lot of other smart glasses out there. It isn't just about understanding another language, it's about making the language gap invisible so people can actually connect without technology getting in the way. That's not just a technical challenge, it's a real breakthrough. People have always wanted AI glasses that give you instant answers about the world around you. No more fishing for your phone every time you're curious. IMNO really runs with that idea. Its built-in AI vision system feels less like you're wearing a clunky search engine and more like you've got a sharp-eyed sidekick. Here's how it works. Just say the word, stare at whatever's caught your eye, and the glasses camera grabs the scene. IMNO's AI jumps in, figures out what you're looking at. Could be a product, a landmark, a street sign, whatever, and then gives you an answer right there in your field of view. Point the glasses at a smartphone box, they'll tell you which phone it is. Aim at a camera rig, and the AI will pick out the model. Instead of just snapping a photo, your glasses actually understand what's in front of you. It feels easy because you don't have to freeze, pull out your phone, or start typing. You just ask, "What am I looking at?" and get an answer almost instantly. This sort of thing actually helps. You can spot landmarks while traveling without juggling apps, or grab product info while shopping. If you're a student, you can check out art or scientific gear and get useful context right away. Even little daily hassles like figuring out what that weird appliance does get simpler. Now, it's not perfect. The AI is only as good as the lighting, your internet connection, or the camera angle. Don't expect it to nail every mystery object. But honestly, that's just how visual AI is right now. What stands out with IMNO is how seamless the whole thing feels. Object recognition isn't just a party trick, it's tied in with translations, directions, all the tools you use to get through your day. The glasses don't just record the world, they actually help you understand it. Let's be real, the main thing holding smart glasses back isn't the tech, it's the way they look. Most AI glasses make a statement the second you put them on. Thick frames, clunky temples, futuristic shapes. People can spot them from across the room and immediately know you're wearing a gadget. INMO seems to get it, though. The Go 3 doesn't try to show off. It actually looks a lot like any normal pair of high-end glasses. If you didn't already know, you'd probably just think they were stylish everyday frames, which is exactly what INMO wants. If you've seen the company's earlier Air series, the change is obvious. Those glasses leaned all the way into AR, so they looked bulky and made it clear you were wearing something special. With the Go 3, INMO went the other way. They stripped down the design, so the tech just melts into the frame. The frame itself is CNC machined, finished with a clean matte look that feels premium without shouting for attention. The temples are just 8mm thick, seriously slim compared to other smart glasses, and the whole pair weighs about 58 grams. Sure, that's a bit heavier than your regular specs, but the weight's balanced. You don't get that annoying front-heavy dip that always reminds you there's a computer strapped to your face. Little design choices like that actually matter. Instead of making you constantly aware of the gadget, the Go 3 just feels like a smart, comfortable pair of glasses. This understated style might be INMO's secret weapon. If AI glasses ever want to be as normal as smartphones or smartwatches, they need to blend in first. The Go 3 feels like a real step in that direction. Most companies making AI glasses put all their energy into the consumer stuff. Better photos, smarter voice assistants, instant translation, sure, those sound cool. But IMNO looks at the problem from a different angle. They ask something simple. What if your glasses could actually help you get work done? That's where their built-in teleprompter quietly shines. Instead of glancing down at your laptop or shuffling through printed notes, your script floats right in front of your eyes. No one else sees it. It's just you and your words. So you can finally keep that natural eye contact with your audience while speaking without any awkward pauses. It gets even more interesting with the controls. You can scroll through your script with a swipe on the temple, tap your phone, or go hands-free with a smart ring. It's flexible and it doesn't get in your way. But the real magic? AI Smart Page Turning. You don't have to tap or swipe every time you hit a new paragraph. The glasses actually listen to you as you speak, matching your pace. If you speed up, so does the script. Slow down, it waits with you. You get to focus on your delivery without losing your spot. For content creators, this changes the game. There's no need to tape notes beside the lens or drag around a bulky teleprompter. Everything you need is right there, built into your glasses. Presenters, teachers, keynote speakers, sales folks, even YouTubers, they can all glance at their script without breaking that crucial eye contact. But IMNO doesn't stop there. Their smart meeting recorder uses 4 microphones to capture conversations with a single button press. It separates out different speakers and automatically spits out a tidy, structured meeting summary. That's a lot less time wasted going over your notes, trying to remember who said what. This isn't about flashy features. IMNO sticks to tools that actually help you work smarter every day. For a lot of professionals out there, that kind of practical design probably matters a lot more than just snapping photos or asking a virtual assistant to set a timer. Meetings are meant to help people stay on track, but honestly, they often do the opposite. Someone always ends up with the job of remembering everything, and that rarely goes smoothly. Notes disappear, key decisions get forgotten, and people spend half the next meeting rehashing what they've already talked about because nobody has the details straight. That's exactly what IMNO wants to fix. The Go 3 uses a 4-microphone setup that not only picks up voices clearly, but also tells who's speaking. No more digging through a single, endless recording. These glasses put AI to work while you're talking. You just tap the gold action button and recording starts right away. While the conversation happens, the AI organizes what's being said. Instead of flooding you with endless transcripts, you get neat meeting summaries, highlighting what matters, major topics, decisions, action items. It's just smarter than the old way of recording everything and trying to sift through it later. Picture this: you wrap up an hour-long client meeting and there's a summary on your phone before you've even left the room. No slogging through your own half-legible notes, it's just there. Students cut down their study time, professionals can double-check what was actually agreed, and teams don't have to rely on one person's scribbles. Now, add in automatic translation. Multilingual meetings aren't a headache anymore. The glasses keep track of everything, organizing conversations across languages and keeping everyone on the same page. Of course, you still need to play by the rules. Make sure you have everyone's permission and follow local laws before hitting record. But used right, this feature really does save hours of admin each week. The Go 3 isn't just another voice recorder. It turns spoken conversations into information you can actually use. Considering most meetings churn out way more info than anyone can remember, that's probably one of the most useful AI features you could ask for. AI glasses aren't really judged by how cool they look at a launch event. The real test? Whether they actually help you day to day without making you constantly look at them. That's where the INMO Go 3 stands out. Instead of forcing you to grab your phone all the time, these glasses quietly put helpful info right in front of you. Say you're wandering through a new city, turn-by-turn directions pop up inside the lens, guiding you along while you keep your eyes on what's ahead, not buried in Google Maps. Sure, it seems like a small tweak, but anyone who's tried to walk busy streets while clutching a phone knows how much easier and safer it feels. And this convenience shows up throughout your day. If you're heading into a big presentation, you launch the teleprompter straight from the glasses, no fiddling with your laptop. In a meeting with international clients, subtitles for translations appear as people talk. Traveling? Menus and street signs get translated instantly without even reaching for your phone. Since everything's built into one pair of glasses, moving from task to task is incredibly smooth. You're not stopping to fumble with other devices or apps. That's really where Go 3 distances itself from other smart glasses. It doesn't bombard you with fancy AR visuals or huge pop-up screens. Instead, it delivers just what you need, right when you need it, then steps back so you can focus. It's less a piece of tech and more like a low-key assistant following you through your day. Whether you're on your commute, at work, exploring a new city, or making content, it blends in rather than interrupts. Honestly, that's the best thing you can say about wearable tech. If you stop noticing it, the design nailed it. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of smart glasses. The more tech crammed into the frame, cameras, AI brains, displays, microphones, wireless connections, the quicker the juice runs out. Most people end up hunting for a charger before their day's even over. INMO looked at this and came up with something that actually makes sense. Forget about batteries sealed tight inside the glasses. The Go 3 uses small, swappable 270 mAh battery modules. When one gets low, you just pop it off, snap in a fresh one, and you're good to go, honestly. It takes about a second. No waiting around for a recharge. No abandoning your glasses next to a power outlet. The batteries live in a little magnetic charging case that tops them up whenever you drop them back in. It's kind of like carrying spare batteries for a camera. If you're someone who needs your smart glasses through long workdays, conferences, or travel, this makes a huge difference. Instead of sweating whether the battery will survive a late-night flight or a marathon meeting, you just carry a few full modules and swap as needed. There's another perk too. Batteries lose steam as they age, so when these wear out, replacing them is easy and cheap. No need to toss your glasses just because the battery's shot. So compared to a lot of smart glasses that need to be plugged in and babysat, INMO's approach feels a lot more sensible for regular, everyday life. It's such a simple fix, but it tackles one of the biggest headaches in wearables. Instead of making you build your routine around battery life, the Go 3 flips it. Your battery finally keeps up with you. That's exactly how smart tech is supposed to work. So who are these glasses actually for? Surprisingly, not everyone, and that's probably one of their biggest strengths. INMO isn't trying to build a device that replaces your smartphone overnight or competes with a full-blown mixed reality headset. Instead, the Go 3 targets people who can genuinely benefit from having AI available throughout the day without constantly pulling out a phone. That naturally raises the biggest question. Can INMO actually challenge companies like Meta, Apple, and Google? The answer isn't as straightforward as yes or no. Meta still dominates consumer smart glasses. Its Ray-Ban partnership gives it unmatched brand recognition, stylish designs, and millions of users already invested in its ecosystem. Apple hasn't even released its AI glasses yet, but its ecosystem alone makes it one of the biggest threats in the industry. Google, meanwhile, has Gemini AI and Android XR powering an entirely different vision for wearable computing. What INMO does differently is focus almost entirely on productivity. While Meta emphasizes cameras, content creation, and casual AI, and Apple is expected to build around Siri and the iPhone ecosystem, INMO concentrates on solving practical problems people face every day. Translation, presentations, navigation, AI vision, and meeting assistants aren't just flashy demos. They're features designed to be used repeatedly. Whether it ultimately overtakes Meta, Apple, or Google remains to be seen. But one thing is becoming increasingly clear. AI glasses are no longer experimental gadgets reserved for early adopters. They're evolving into practical, everyday companions. And if companies continue refining products the way INMO has with the Go 3, the question may soon stop being whether you'll wear AI glasses and start becoming which pair you'll choose.